Hello guys, my name is Mohammed and you're watching Study Tech Now. Today I'll be showing you how to install virtual machine on your computer and how to install Windows on it. For this video I am using a software called Open Broadcast software. It's a free software that you could download and record videos with it. You could also live stream videos on different hosts like YouTube and Twitch and many more. For the virtual machine, I'll be using VitualBox. It's by Oracle. I'll be using version 5.1.14. It's good for Windows 10. If you're using any other Windows version, any version should be fine with it. And you can download the program according to your operating system. I am using Windows. I already have the program downloaded, so I'm just gonna take you guys through the installation and how to install it. For my location, I'm just gonna change this to my D drive. That's my mechanical hard drive, and you don't have to change it. It's just for personal preferences. I don't want to use my SSD. It will give you a warning over here. If you're doing anything live, it might just disconnect you for a few milliseconds and stuff. It's really short, so shouldn't be a problem. You could go ahead and click install. You could accept and click yes. It's just gonna like it's already finished now. So as you can see, this is the finished version of VirtualBox. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna set it up and install Windows. So I will be installing Windows 7 on it, 64-bit. So I'm just gonna name it Windows 7. You can name whatever you like. Uh, for the memory size, I do have 16 GB, so I'm just gonna bump this up to 4 GB. This is fine. It will be easier for the virtual machine to run on your computer. For the hard disk and for the Windows, you could just click create over here. It's already selected for you. You could just use that option. You can also use this option VDI. You don't have to change anything here and just go ahead and click next. For this, always try to use dynamically allocated. What's going to happen is it will only take the space it needs, other than declaring a fixed size and maybe wasting your uh, memory. So you can just go ahead and click next. Recommended is 25, so we could just bump this up to maybe 40 just for the sake. Now for my Windows, I'm just gonna go ahead and select my Windows. So I have the Windows version over here. Just gonna go ahead and select and click start. So over here is mainly your Windows, and all you're gonna do is like click next, change this if you have to, and you can just go ahead and click install now. Hit I accept the license terms, click next. uh, I'm gonna choose custom. I would recommend you choosing custom as well. Clear any space if you have it. If there are more than one, if you see more than one, just clear it and make it one. I'm just gonna skip this part. It's just installation. So for this, you could go ahead and name whatever you like for the for your PC. It's like creating your first user account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the example created John. For password, you could create any type of password that you like. I'm just gonna leave this blank. For product key, you don't have to activate it because this is just a ISO file. It's not the actual Windows. If you do want to, uh, you could always just go ahead and reinstall the Windows if they ask you for the product key. And our Windows is complete, guys. That's pretty much it. Everything should be working just fine. Uh, uh, so for those of you who might have a question of why are we installing virtual machine and what is actually a virtual machine, it's basically a program that runs off of your computer. So anything that you do here is not affected on your personal PC. So as you can see, anything I do on this computer on virtual machine, it stays there and doesn't affect anything on my actual PC. It's mainly used by programmers and software developers to run off their program before they launch it, to make sure everything is working just fine and nothing can be harmful to their own PCs. Other than that, thank you so much guys for watching the video. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. This was my first video ever, so if there's anything that I should improve, just please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much.